Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to make some easy air dry clay Christmas decorations and also some Christmas trees. I'm also going to decorate my mantelpiece, and because it's a blustery day today, Storm Bram is blowing a gale, so I'm going to put the fire on, get all cozy and start making my decorations. So I've already got my Christmas tree decorated. We got it about 3 years ago. I think it was about £4 from the charity shop, and then we got a massive bag of baubles. You could choose your own, and that was £2. So the whole thing cost £6. And I got some lights, obviously, which were probably about £5. And through the years, I've just collected loads of little different ones. I've got some gifts, Christmas presents. I made some air dry clay ones before with Jasmine, which was fun. There's endless ways you could decorate them. So we'll have a look today and see what we can do. First of all, I've got some card, so I'm going to make a quarter of a circle and make a frame for the air dry clay to go on. And this is the clay I'm going to be using. I've used this before. It's really good. It doesn't shrink, it doesn't crack. It's about £5 for a kilo, which is going to get you loads of little crafts. I found this glass, which is pretty straight, so this can be my rolling pin, because I wouldn't want to use my own rolling pin because it gets a little bit slimy. So I've got my frame there. I've taped it all the way up so there's no sticky outy edgy bits. And gently form it round. The excess off. Score this little bit here. And get some water on it. And those can all bond together. Okay, I've got raided Jasmine's little craft drawer, and I've found these little tiny straw. I'm going to make some holes, some bigger ones as well. There we go, just wait for that to dry. If you see any creases or anything, just smooth those over. a bit of water. There we go. Wait for that to dry. Give it 24 hours to dry and check out what it looks like. So I might make some smaller ones of these and have 3 of them in a row. Now I'm going to make some little tree ornaments. So I've got some little cookie cutters. I have some leaves to put some prints in, the clay. And I've got a knife. And I've got some little stamps. And I've got this to make some little dots and to put some holes in the top so they can thread through. And I got some little bits of glitter as well. So, I mean, you could do whatever you want with this, but the main thing is just to have some fun and just enjoy it. So I've got some little cookie cutters. I'm going to do one of these, and I've got a smaller one which I'll put in the middle so it's fairly even, and I can make that into a decoration, and I can make the small one into a decoration. Hole in it with this skewer. Could even put some little dots. I mean, these don't have to be perfect. They're just rustic, handmade with love. There we go, there's one. And this one, I might a little bit of oh, that's quite a lot actually. Get some glitter on there. There we go. That's nice. If you wanted to smooth the edges, you can. There we go, there's 2. Now, just keep going. I've even got some braided Jasmine's little stamp thing, so you could put some stamps on there. I'm just going to put these on a tray and leave them somewhere for 24 hours. Leave them flat and then they'll be ready to go. So I left all these to dry for 24 hours, and you can tell when they're dry because they go from a grey to a nice white. So I've done loads of different little things. I've put glitter on, I've done some stamps, I've done some little dots like stitches. I've even used some foliage to press onto these, and I was going to paint those. You can paint them, but quite like them white. And there you go. And then with these, I just carefully prized out the cardboard frame, and those will be ready to go with one of these little candles in. So now all I have to do is I have to put some thread in, and then they'll all be ready. And there you go. Easy and fun to make Christmas decorations from air dry clay. Thanks for joining me make some Christmas decorations today. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and see you on the next one.